Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our June 2025 Zoom class. With our Zoom classes, there is a die requirement. So for this month, 4 of our favorite dies: Landscape Rectangle Accordion, Iron Fence Pop-Up, Memory Charms, and the Fun Flowers. Our first card is going to feature the Iron Fence Pop-Up. So this is going to be a fun technique. We're going to double that iron fence and put it on both sides of the fold. The papers this month are some beautiful photo play designs, brand new designs. This one in a bee theme. This one's going to be a Thanks for Being Amazing card. For our second card, we're going to combine the Landscape Rectangle Accordion with the Memory Charms, and we're going to do something fun here. We're going to do a card assembly. So I love to do that with the accordions just to show different ways that you might use those dies. This one is going to be a Landscape Slimline card. If you are new to our Zoom class program, let me explain a little bit how it works. So the required dies are required, and your best bet, if you don't own any of them, is to bundle them with your paper and your extras and your instructions, and then that's your best value. However, because we are using favorite dies, there's probably a lot of you that own one or more of the required dies. So you always have the option to purchase just the class kit. So that's just going to be your paper, your instructions, and your extras without the dies. But I want to be very clear that you still need the dies. The dies are required no matter which tier kit that you purchase. Now, the reason you need those dies is because when your kit arrives, it's going to be kind of those bulk materials. And what you are going to do is take those required dies plus the very detailed PDF instructions and prep work video that arrives to you about 10 days before class, and you're going to convert those raw materials into a ready-to-assemble card kit. And then we're going to get together on Zoom. In this case, it will be Saturday, June 21st at 11 a.m. Central, and we're going to put those cards together. Now, we do record the Zooms, so you do not have to be there on class day. We will send that Zoom recording out to you after class. You do need to be a kit holder to have access to that prep work video, those PDF instructions, and that class day recording. So we do not make those public even after the kits sell out. So head on over to our website, KarenBurniston.com, go to the events tab and then current events, and you will find a list of stores that are making kits for this class. We will also offer a limited number of kits for this class. They will show up in our kits and classes section of the website when they're ready. Hope to see some new faces. Thanks.